Welcome to Ladder Genie's maintenance series. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the winch spool, an essential part of keeping your system safe and reliable. Over time, wear and tear can affect the winch spool and cable, leading to reduced performance or even safety risks. Knowing when and how to replace these components is key to keeping your Ladder Genie operating smoothly. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Remove the winch cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the winch cover to the hoist. Put these screws aside. With the screws removed, lift off the winch cover and set it aside. Step 2. Remove the pulley spacers. Remove the 2 pulley spacers using crescent wrenches or a drill. Set the washers and nuts aside. Remove the bolt, then gently pry off the spacer using a flathead screwdriver. Once the spacers are removed, you can lift off the winch cable from the pulleys. Step 3. Remove the winch. Flip the hoist around and remove the 4 bolts holding the winch to the hoist. Once the bolts are removed, set the hoist frame aside. Step 4. Remove the winch base. On the bottom of the winch, remove the 2 screws holding the winch to its base. Set the base and screws aside. Step 5. Install the new cable spool. With a firm grip, pull the old cable spool off of the winch shaft. Note that the center ring will fall off when doing so. You will need to reinstall this later on. Install the new cable spool and center ring. Make sure the spool faces the same direction. The cable should pull over the top toward the front of the winch, as shown in the diagram. Step 6. Reassembly. Place the winch back into the cover and reinstall the 2 bottom screws. Align the hoist frame with the winch, then reinstall the mounting bolts. Pull the new cable over and onto the pulleys. Insert both pulley spacers, then secure them with the washers and bolts you removed earlier. Once in place, tighten everything down. Lastly, move the cables aside, then reattach the winch cover to the hoist. You've now finished replacing the winch cable on your Ladder Genie hoist. For your safety, be sure to perform a test run with the new cable before lifting any materials. Always remember to inspect your setup before each use. Follow the safety guidelines and refer back to your manual or this video whenever needed. Thank you for choosing Ladder Genie as your trusted hoisting solution. We're proud to support your work with equipment designed for safety, efficiency, and reliability. Every lift, every job, and every time.